Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on raise to wake in your Realme phone device. Guys, you want to on guys your raise to wake settings, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on raise to wake in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. So then first of all open your phone setting to on your raise to wake. Then guys scroll, then guys you can see your home screen and lock screen setting. So guys tap here, then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your lock screen setting raise to wake. So as you can on from here. And guys how can you use your raise to wake? So your phone screen is off. And guys when you will take your phone guys, so you can see your phone screen will on. So like that guys you can use your raise to wake in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to raise to wake in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.